Okay, let's take a look at two trades. One came up in my scan. I use one of the tools I use is called SnoopTrader.com, which it basically sees the Twitter and StockTwits accounts of big traders and see which one's getting mentions. And I scan these for technical, see if anyone looks good on it. And one that I found that I liked a lot is Telsa. Okay, and several reasons. That's why I want to add it for today's session. Okay, if you can see here, it hit off that 200-day moving average several times, and it's doing an ascending triangle. You can see how it's building up the move here, and you can see the MACD really pushing above here. And today was the first peak out here. Okay, so I think we're gonna get a big breakout. 250 is a very easy target, so we're gonna pick the January 250 call here, which if you go Telsa, just look at the option chains here, and I look at the January 15, the 250 call is at 345. Okay, and I see this can easily go to 260 by next week on a breakout of an ascending triangle. So I really like that one. And another one that we didn't on the prior video was Walmart. Okay, you can see how Walmart closed for the first time in about a year, closing above the 50-day moving average, breaking out of this sideways movement here, this lateral movement above the T line, and it gapped up. There's a breakout gap. Whenever you see gaps break out of a resistance, you can get a real nice move to the upside. So I like the 63 January 15 call. If you go right here to Walmart and we see the change right here, and we look at January 15 63 call right here, it's at 29 cents. These both should be easily over 100% return trades. Walmart looking real nice. Telsa looking real nice. I still have my radar ZUMZ, which is looking. And just to see about breakout trades, we did a trade earlier in the month. We got in right at the breakout right here. Look at this resistance on Alta right when it opened up here with this gap up on the break, and quickly it went from about 175 to 185. The same thing with Smith & Wesson. Okay, and we got in right here on the breakout of the gap. Okay, you can see how when you get a strong resistance point and it breaks out with a gap, you want to get in right at the entrance. So one of the scans I do every morning is gap, and you can see quickly this trade gave about 300% because I played it on a weekly. It gave real quick move from about 1950 all the way to 24, and now it's at 22.14. And that's pretty much the same scan. I showed those trades because it's pretty much the same trade we're seeing with Walmart. Okay, so that's a nice trade right there. And Telsa, we might even get a gap up. You might see when it breaks out a gap up, and that's to add to that position. One that I think was going to break out with a gap too is Win. You can see how it's first time trying to close above that 50-day moving average, and now the seasonality really builds up. So these are some great trades. See you on tomorrow analysis. I'll say tomorrow should be a short day because it's New Year's Eve. So we might have new trades, but I'll send a recap of these week's trades, and next week we'll definitely have more trades. All right, so everybody have a great New Year. See you guys tomorrow. Remember, you want to be. I posted on the other video my cell phone where I could put you on a chat on the phone where we can post these trades and the day trades as we go through. Okay, see you next video.